Welcome to Mathapedia. Today we will be looking at 2D and 3D shapes. What is a shape, you may be wondering? Here's the definition. In geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, basically the outer boundary or the outer surface of a shape. There are different types of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. You guys may be familiar with 2D shapes, and some of you may know about 3D shapes. Let me tell you the names of these shapes. This is a rectangle, this is a square, this is a circle, this is a triangle, and finally a oval. Those are all 2D shapes. 3D shapes. These are different types of 3D shapes. A cylinder, a cube, a pyramid. You guys may be wondering, what's the definition of these two different types of shapes? So here's the definition of a 2D shape, and I'll later tell you about the definition of a 3D shape. What is a 2D shape? A 2D shape is a shape that has two dimensions and it does not have space in it, such as a circle, a rectangle, a square, a triangle, a rhombus. There are many types of 2D shapes. A quadrilateral is one of them. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a shape that has four different sides, and quad means four. You can remember it by saying quad bike, and a quad bike has four different wheels, and quad means four. Here is a picture of quadrilaterals. Pentagon. What does a pentagon mean? So guys, what does a pentagon mean? A pentagon is a shape that has 5 different sides, and penta means 5. This is an irregular pentagon and this is a regular pentagon. A hexagon. What does a hexagon mean? A hexagon is a shape that has 6 different sides, and hexa means 6. This is a regular hexagon and this is an irregular hexagon. A septagon. What is a septagon? A septagon is a shape that has 7 different sides, and septa means 7. This is a regular septagon and this is an irregular septagon. Octagon. What is an octagon? An octagon is a shape that has 8 different sides, and octa means 8. The shapes that are highlighted in blue are irregular octagons, and this is a regular octagon. Nonagon. What is a nonagon? A nonagon is a shape that has 9 different sides, and nona means 9. This is a regular nonagon and this is an irregular nonagon. A decagon. What is a decagon? A decagon is a shape that has 10 different sides, and deca means 10. This is a regular decagon and this is an irregular decagon. 3D shapes. What are 3D shapes? A 3D shape is a shape that has 3 dimensions and has space in it. This is a cylinder and this is a cube, as we mentioned earlier. Maths. We're learning maths right now. Of course, I love maths. Recognizing 3D shapes. A cube. A cube is a shape that looks like a Rubik's cube. A square-based pyramid. A square-based pyramid looks like the pyramids of Giza in Egypt. Prism. There are many different types of prisms. A pentagonal prism, which is this one here, and a square-based prism, a triangular-based prism, and many more. A sphere. A sphere looks like a ball. A cylinder. A cylinder looks like a pipe. A cone. A cone looks like a party hat you get at parties. How to recognize corners, sides, and faces of a 3D shape. The face of a 3D shape is the outer part. There can be one or more in 3D shapes. This is a sphere. It doesn't have corners, so it has only one. A cube has 6, so there can be one more. A side. This is a cube, as you may already know. The side is here. It's basically where 2 different faces meet. A corner. This is a prism, a square-based prism. A corner is where 3 different faces meet. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay safe and keep watching and learning maths.